Welcome back to our IELTS reading preparation series. In our previous videos, we discussed the best strategies for various question types. Now, it's time to put that theory into practice. In this video, we'll take an official style example of a matching headings question, and I'll guide you step by step, showing you exactly how to apply the strategies to arrive at the correct answer. This is for intermediate and advanced learners who want to see these techniques in action. Let's begin. Before we dive into our example, let's quickly recap what matching headings questions are all about. They test your ability to grasp the central theme or main idea of each paragraph, not just isolated details. You need to see the bigger picture. The main challenge? Often, several headings might seem like they could fit, or a heading might match only part of a paragraph. And remember, there are always more headings than paragraphs you need to match. Alright, here's our practice example for today. We have one paragraph, paragraph A. Pause for learners to read the paragraph on screen. And here is our list of potential headings. Our task is to choose the one heading that best summarizes the main idea of paragraph A. Remember, the example text and question here are created to illustrate the strategies, reflecting an official style. We're going to apply the core strategies we've discussed previously. First, we'll glance at the headings. Then, we'll read paragraph A very strategically. A key step will be to try and summarize the paragraph's main idea in our own words before seriously considering the headings. Then, we'll evaluate each heading against our understanding, eliminating those that don't fit, and finally, confirm our choice. Okay, step 1. Let's quickly look at our headings. Briefly read them aloud or give learners a moment. We see themes of challenges, economics, technological progress, government, wind power issues, and fossil fuels. Now, step 2. Let's read paragraph A carefully. The first sentence often gives a clue. The significant advancements in renewable energy technology over the past 2 decades have been remarkable. This sounds like a strong topic sentence. The paragraph then gives examples. Solar panel efficiency doubling, costs plummeting, wind turbines evolving, breakthroughs in energy storage. The concluding part mentions these developments are pivotal for a sustainable future but also notes some challenges.
This is a critical step for advanced learners. Step 3. Summarize the paragraph's main idea in your own words before getting biased by the options. Based on our reading, paragraph A talks about significant advancements and gives several examples like solar, wind, and battery storage. It emphasizes these are pivotal collective developments. So, my quick summary would be something like, the paragraph mainly discusses big improvements and progress in different renewable energy technologies and their importance, with a brief mention of remaining challenges. Now for step 4, let's evaluate the headings against our summary and the paragraph. Heading I. Challenges in renewable energy adoption. The paragraph does mention challenges in grid integration and initial investment at the end. However, is this the main idea? The first sentence and most of the paragraph focus on significant advancements and remarkable developments. The challenges are a secondary point. So, heading I seems too narrow and doesn't capture the overall positive emphasis on progress. Likely incorrect. Heading E. The economic benefits of solar power. The paragraph mentions, cost of production has plummeted for solar. This is an economic benefit. But the paragraph also talks about solar efficiency, wind turbine designs, and energy storage. Solar economics is just one part of one example. This heading is far too specific to be the main idea of the whole paragraph. Incorrect. Let's continue. Heading E. Technological progress in renewable energy. This sounds very promising. Our summary focused on big improvements and progress. The paragraph details advancements, efficiency doubled, evolved designs, breakthroughs. This heading seems to capture the main theme of development and advancement across various renewable technologies. This is a strong candidate. Heading IV. The role of government in energy transition. I'm scanning paragraph A again. Are there any mentions of government policies, funding, regulations, or any governmental role? No. The paragraph focuses on the technologies themselves and their development. So, heading, IV, is not supported by the text. Incorrect. Almost there. Heading, V, fluctuations in wind power generation. The paragraph mentions intermittency issues often associated with renewables and how battery technology is addressing this. While wind power is a renewable and might have intermittency, this heading is too specific to wind power fluctuations. The paragraph covers solar and storage too, and the point about intermittency is more general to renewables and then how it's being solved. So, V isn't the main focus. Incorrect. Heading, VI, future outlook for fossil fuels. The text mentions solar becoming a viable alternative to fossil fuels. This is a comparison, but the paragraph doesn't delve into the future prospects, decline, or continued role of fossil fuels. The core subject is renewable energy progress. So, VI is off topic for the main idea. Incorrect. Step 5. Eliminating and confirming. We've systematically gone through each heading. Headings I, E, IV, V, and VI are either too specific, too narrow, irrelevant, or only touch on minor details. Heading E, technological progress in renewable energy, clearly and comprehensively covers the main thrust of paragraph A, the advancements, improvements, and breakthroughs across different renewable technologies. So, this is our confirmed answer. So, what can we take away from this practical exercise? Firstly, the main idea is always king for matching headings. Don't let a small detail that matches a heading fool you. Secondly, for intermediate and advanced learners, formulating your own quick summary of the paragraph before looking closely at the options is a powerful technique to avoid getting swayed. Thirdly, use a clear process of elimination. Finally, always be alert for how the correct heading will paraphrase the main idea using different vocabulary, like advancements, becoming, progress. I hope this step-by-step walkthrough of a matching headings question has been really helpful in seeing how to apply the strategies practically. The more you practice this methodical approach with different texts, the faster and more accurate you'll become. Please let me know in the comments if you found this useful, and tell me which IELTS reading question type you'd like us to break down with a practical example in our next, in action, video. Don't forget to subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing.
The template is intuitively organized, giving you a clear roadmap. You'll find sections covering everything from the essential overview of the IELTS reading section to detailed strategies, goal-setting tools, and practice resources. Now, let's take a closer look at what's inside the IELTS reading section template. This is your all-in-one digital hub for mastering the IELTS reading test, designed to guide you step by step. A core component of the template is the focus on building essential reading skills. We break down the key skills you need, such as skimming, scanning, understanding, paraphrasing, time management, and vocabulary building, providing targeted guidance for each. You'll also get comprehensive coverage of all the IELTS reading question types. Each type, from multiple choice and matching headings to true, false, not given and diagram labeling, is explained in detail with examples and effective tips. To keep you motivated and on track, the template includes a dedicated reading progress tracker. This allows you to monitor your progress at beginner, intermediate, and advanced levels, tracking your reading passages, comprehension scores, and identifying your strengths and weaknesses. For every question type, like this example of matching headings, you'll find a clear definition, example exercises, answer guidance, and practical tips to improve your approach. This detailed preview just scratches the surface of what the IELTS reading section template offers. It's designed to be your comprehensive and interactive guide to success. Visit our website to explore all the features and take control of your IELTS reading preparation.